Modern enterprises don't run on one system anymore. They run on a fragmented web of disconnected tools. Most industrial giants already have SAP, Oracle, or Dynamics, but their real work is buried in spreadsheets and emails. Operations are scattered across vendor portals, logistics platforms, and manual disconnected workflows. The result? Delays, missed approvals, and rising costs. Teams spend more time coordinating than deciding. In fact, 30 to 40% of operational time is lost just to cross-tool coordination. Enter Lasya AI. We replace that fragmented software with one unified AI-native operational stack. It's one intelligence, one operational brain for your entire enterprise. Your teams simply say what they need through WhatsApp, email, or voice. Lasya AI agents execute the workflows autonomously from sourcing to tracking. Our agents automate negotiations and approvals, keeping your supply chain moving at light speed. Logistics agents handle shipment orchestration and exception management in real time. Finance agents audit invoices autonomously using OCR and multi-document validation. Your ERP stays where it is. Lasya AI handles the execution layer and syncs every action automatically. Within weeks, enterprises eliminate bottlenecks and scale operations without adding headcount. This is not just another platform. This is the future of autonomous business operations. Lasya AI, beyond digitization, autonomous operations. Book your demo today at settyl.com.